With filters, you can combine powerful logic across models to surface exactly the insights you need, no matter how complex your criteria. In this video, you'll learn how to build advanced filters that make it easy to surface the right data for your team. So let's dive in. First up, cross-model filters. Before you start building cross-model filters, it's important to understand which model should display your answers. For example, are you looking for a list of companies with overdue invoices, or a list of overdue invoices that belong to companies in the USA? Build your filter on the data model where you want your answers. To reference another model, start by selecting ID. This is how you link the current model to related ones. Then choose between match by and ignore by. Match by will find related data that matches the filter criteria. So let's say you're in sales and you want to find all companies that have the professional license. You'd select ID, match by, license, then set your license criteria. You can even combine logic from multiple models. For example, find companies with licenses that match a product and where the decision maker has an NPS above 8. Great for account executives targeting the right personas. Now flip it. With ignore by, you're saying exclude records that match X, as I don't want to see those. This can be very powerful when mapping to models with multiple records related to one company. For example, licenses or conversations. As someone on the service delivery team, let's say you want to find companies with an active project, but no milestone calls in the last quarter. Using ignore by with the conversation type you want to exclude will filter them out. Next, let's explore Boolean rules. Use all when everything in your filter must be true, and any when you want to allow for either or logic. Let's say you're in marketing and want to target a segment of companies in a campaign that have an ARR over 10,000 and are either in adoption, renewal, or are flagged at risk. You'd build one group governed by all for the ARR and one using any for the lifecycle phase. You can also layer in multiple models. For example, show me companies that have an end user tagged as either decision maker or executive sponsor and a license renewing in the next 90 days. Moving on to top and bottom lists. This is where filters meet performance rankings. Let's say you're leading a customer success team. You might want to see the top 10 onboarding customers by ARR, or the bottom 10% of key end users by usage, who also have a renewal coming up in the next 60 days. To do this, select top list or bottom list as your filter type. Choose the metric to rank by, like ARR or usage. Set a limit by count or percentage. Then add any other conditions you need, like only companies and onboarding. This is a powerful way to focus your team's attention on high or low performers. Last but not least, let's talk about 3 powerful operators: find by, pick by, and exclude by. Find by helps you match text. Imagine you're in marketing and you want to find all customers with partner in their name. Use find by, then enter partner, and PlanHat will pull in anything with that keyword. No exact match needed. Pick by is perfect when you want to build on a filter you've already created. Let's say you already have a filter for French customers with renewals this year. Now you want to find out which of those have an engaged decision maker. Just use pick by and reference your existing filter. Then add a cross-model match to the end user profile. No need to rebuild the logic from scratch. Exclude by is the opposite. Say you're in sales enablement and want a list of companies with engaged decision makers, but not the ones in your France segment. Use exclude by to remove them. Advanced filters can be built as global filters, which are then used across all of PlanHat in the Data Explorer, then saved as a global filter, or within a page. There you have it. With these tools, you can build advanced filters that help you find exactly what matters. Whether you're analyzing performance, prioritizing outreach, or tracking milestones, smarter filters mean better decisions. Now it's your turn. Start building and see what you can uncover.